Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Mercari app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your password. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Mercari app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, click on Profile, then click on Settings, and then from here, click on Edit Account on the top hand side. So this is where you'll be able to change your email address and also enter your current password and as well as enter your new password. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your password on the Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.